Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your DNS provider on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your system launcher in the bottom corner of your taskbar, and then search for settings. Go ahead and select that to open it up, and then select the privacy and security tile on the left side. And then on the right, you want to select where it says use secure connections to look up sites. Make sure that's toggled on. And then where it says select a DNS provider, you can click the drop down and select a custom one or one of the more popular ones like Google or OpenDNS or Cloudflare. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.